the human brain, a marvel of biological engineering, a wrinkled pinkish-gray organ weighing about 3 pounds, yet holding the capacity to understand the universe. It might not look like much, but this is the command center of our being, orchestrating every aspect of our lives. Every thought, every feeling, every action stems from this remarkable structure, a symphony of electrical impulses and chemical reactions. It's a universe unto itself, a complex network of billions of neurons firing constantly, creating the tapestry of our consciousness. The brain is responsible for everything that makes us human, from our simplest reflexes to our most profound thoughts. Our ability to think, to learn, to love, to create, to dream, and to imagine new possibilities. It processes the world around us, interprets sensory information, and allows us to interact with our environment in meaningful ways. Without the brain, we would be nothing more than empty vessels, devoid of thought, emotion, and identity. Understanding the brain is one of the greatest challenges facing science today, a quest to unravel the mysteries of our own existence. It's a journey into the very essence of what makes us who we are, a voyage into the depths of our own minds. As we delve deeper into its intricate workings, we unlock secrets that have puzzled humankind for centuries, revealing the true potential of our minds. Let us embark on this journey together, exploring the fascinating landscape of the human brain and discovering the wonders within. Dominating the landscape of the brain is the cerebrum, the largest and most evolutionarily advanced part. This is the thinking, feeling, and decision-making center of our brain. Imagine a giant walnut, its surface covered in ridges and grooves. That's the cerebrum, divided into two hemispheres, the left and the right. The left hemisphere, often considered the logical side, governs language, reasoning, and analytical thinking. The right hemisphere, on the other hand, is the creative force behind our spatial awareness, intuition, and artistic abilities. Though seemingly separate, these two hemispheres are in constant communication, working together to create a unified experience. The cerebrum's surface, known as the cerebral cortex, is where the magic happens. This thin layer of gray matter is responsible for our higher cognitive functions. It's the seat of our consciousness, our personality, and our ability to perceive and interact with the world. The cerebrum is further divided into 4 lobes, each with its own specialized functions. These lobes work together to manage everything from our thoughts to our movements. The frontal lobe, located at the front of the head, is the executive center of the brain. It is crucial for higher cognitive functions. It governs our planning, decision-making, and personality. This lobe helps us set goals, make choices, and express ourselves. Think of it as the CEO of our brain, overseeing all operations. It ensures that all other parts of the brain work in harmony. Just behind the frontal lobe lies the parietal lobe, responsible for processing sensory information from the body. It integrates sensory input to form a single perception. Touch, temperature, pain, and pressure are all interpreted here. This lobe helps us understand the physical sensations we experience. The parietal lobe also plays a role in spatial awareness, allowing us to navigate our surroundings. It helps us judge distances and understand our position in space. At the back of the head sits the occipital lobe, dedicated to processing visual information. This lobe is essential for our ability to see and interpret visual stimuli. Everything we see is first processed here, from the colors of a sunset to the words on this page. It helps us recognize shapes, colors, and motion. The occipital lobe transforms light signals into meaningful images, allowing us to experience the world visually. It converts raw data into the rich visual experiences we enjoy. Finally, nestled beneath the parietal and occipital lobes lies the temporal lobe. This lobe is vital for many aspects of our daily lives. This lobe is responsible for processing auditory information, language comprehension, and memory formation. It helps us make sense of the sounds we hear. It's where we process sounds, understand language, and store memories. This lobe allows us to recall past experiences and communicate effectively. Tucked away beneath the cerebrum, at the back of the brain, lies the cerebellum. Don't let its small size fool you. This structure plays a vital role in our everyday movements. Imagine a skilled conductor, effortlessly guiding an orchestra to produce a harmonious symphony. That's the cerebellum, coordinating our movements, maintaining balance, and ensuring smooth, precise actions. Whether we're walking, talking, or playing a musical instrument, the cerebellum is hard at work. It receives information from our senses and the cerebrum, making constant adjustments to our movements. This ensures that we move gracefully, maintain our balance, and perform complex actions with ease. Damage to the cerebellum can result in a loss of coordination, jerky movements, and difficulty maintaining balance. This highlights the crucial role this often overlooked structure plays in our daily lives. Section 5. The brainstem, the unsung hero of life. Connecting the cerebrum and cerebellum to the spinal cord is the brainstem, a stalk-like structure that controls many of our body's essential functions. This is the unsung hero of the brain, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep us alive and functioning. The brainstem is responsible for regulating our breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. It also controls our sleep-wake cycles, swallowing and vomiting reflexes. Without the brainstem, life as we know it would not be possible. This vital structure is divided into 3 parts: the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. The midbrain plays a role in motor control, vision, and hearing. The pons relays information between the cerebrum and cerebellum, and the medulla oblongata controls essential functions like breathing and heart rate. Section 6. The brain's intricate network, a symphony of connections. The brain is not merely a collection of separate parts, it's a highly interconnected network. Billions of neurons, the brain's specialized cells, communicate with each other through trillions of connections called synapses. Imagine a vast and intricate web, with information constantly flowing through its intricate pathways. This complex network allows different parts of the brain to communicate and work together seamlessly. It's this intricate interplay that allows us to think, feel, and experience the world around us. The brain's ability to form new connections and rewire itself, known as neuroplasticity, is a testament to its remarkable adaptability. Section 7. Fascinating facts. Unlocking the brain's mysteries. The human brain is a treasure trove of fascinating facts. Did you know that the brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb? Or that it contains more connections than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy? The brain is also incredibly efficient, using only about 20% of the body's energy despite its constant activity. And while it's true that we use all parts of our brain, certain activities can stimulate specific areas more than others. For example, listening to music activates the auditory cortex, while solving a math problem engages the prefrontal cortex. These are just a few of the many intriguing facts that highlight the brain's complexity and wonder. As we continue to explore its mysteries, we can expect to uncover even more fascinating insights into this remarkable organ. Section 8. The brain's remarkable resilience, adaptability, and change. The brain is not a static organ. It's constantly changing and adapting throughout our lives. This remarkable ability, known as neuroplasticity, allows the brain to rewire itself in response to new experiences, learning, and even injury. Throughout our lives, our brains are constantly forming new connections, strengthening existing ones, and even eliminating those that are no longer needed. This ongoing process allows us to learn new skills, adapt to new environments, and recover from brain injuries. Neuroplasticity is a testament to the brain's incredible resilience and adaptability. It highlights the brain's ability to change and grow throughout our lives, shaping who we are and how we experience the world. Section 9. Conclusion. A universe yet to be fully explored. The human brain is an awe-inspiring organ, a testament to the complexity and wonder of the natural world. It is a marvel of evolution, a structure so intricate that it continues to baffle and inspire scientists and researchers around the globe. From the cerebrum, the seat of our thoughts and actions, where our consciousness and intelligence reside, to the cerebellum, our agile conductor, coordinating our movements with precision and grace, and the brainstem, the unsung hero of life, regulating our most basic and vital functions like breathing and heartbeat. Each part of the brain plays a vital role in making us who we are. Together, they form a symphony of biological processes that define our very existence. As we delve deeper into the brain's intricate workings, mapping its vast networks and understanding its myriad functions, we gain a deeper appreciation for its remarkable capabilities. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover. We marvel at its ability to process information, control our movements, and shape our experiences. It is the command center of our bodies and the essence of our individuality, and we are humbled by the vastness of what we still don't know. The brain remains one of the final frontiers of human knowledge. The journey into the human brain is a journey into ourselves. It is a quest to understand the very nature of our being. It's a journey of discovery, of wonder, and of endless possibilities. Each new finding opens doors to new questions and new avenues of exploration. As we continue to explore this uncharted territory, pushing the boundaries of what we know, we can expect to unlock even more secrets about the organ that makes us uniquely human. The future holds endless potential for new discoveries that could change our understanding of ourselves and the world around us.